Just over 2 months after their debut, Sonos is expanding the capabilities of its Ace headphones to be more compatible with more of its soundbars. Starting today, the audio swap feature on the Ace headphones will now work with the Wiim first and second generation and Ray soundbars. Initially, this feature was only available on the Arc soundbar. Audio swap allows the user to transfer sound from a Sonos soundbar to a pair of Ace headphones for a private listening experience. This feature can be used on multiple soundbars around the house and can be activated with a single button press on the headphones. Additionally, as of today, the audio swap feature can be configured through the Sonos app for both iOS and Android devices. This is a super useful feature for anyone who has ever had someone go to bed and you want to continue watching television, and it's much easier at a later time in the evening to watch television on your headphones than it is with the entire sound system blasting. However, since the launch of the headphones, Sonos has faced criticism regarding the quality of its apps. The redesign of the mobile app in May led to the removal of basic features like queue management, alongside the introduction of bugs and performance issues. This has led to some customers turning to paid third-party Sonos apps to avoid these problems. Sonos CEO Patrick Spence has addressed these concerns, offering an apology, saying, "Since May the 7th, we've released new software updates approximately every 2 weeks, each bringing significant improvements, new features and bug fixes." He wrote to customers. Sonos is also promising a detailed roadmap of features and fixes extending through October 2024. He is hoping that the update will bring more cohesion to the Sonos user experience, as the Sonos products are really nice to use. Are you having issues with the Sonos app? Leave a comment down below telling me about what issues you're having right now. Or maybe you've got the Ace headphones and you've connected them up to your Wiim, Ray or Arc. How are you finding the experience? Let me know down below. For now, this is the end of the video, so don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you all again very soon.